Mastering Active Recall for GMAT and GRE Vocabulary. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into one of the most effective study techniques, especially when you're preparing for exams like the GMAT and GRE. It's called Active Recall. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, why it's so powerful, and how you can use it with flashcards to supercharge your vocabulary learning. Active recall is a study technique where, instead of passively reading over your notes or simply looking at the front and back of a flashcard, you actively test yourself. In essence, you're forcing your brain to retrieve the information without looking at the answer. It's the difference between asking yourself, "What's the meaning of the word obfuscate?" and simply reading the definition on the card. Research shows that our brains remember things better when we actively engage with the material. When you test yourself, you're strengthening the neural pathways associated with that information. Each time you recall a piece of information, you're making that memory stronger and more durable. It's like going to the gym, but for your brain. 1. Create your own cards. While there are numerous pre-made flashcard decks available, creating your own ensures you're processing the information actively. Write the word on one side and its meaning, an example sentence, or both on the other side. 2. Study in chunks. Don't overwhelm yourself with hundreds of cards at once. Break them down into manageable chunks of 20 to 30 cards and focus on mastering those. 3. Regular review. Active recall is most effective when paired with spaced repetition. After mastering a set, review it after a day, then 3 days, a week, and so on. This strategy ensures you're recalling information just before you're about to forget it, strengthening your memory even further. 4. Use mnemonics. For tougher words, come up with a funny or memorable story or image that links the word to its meaning. This creates a stronger memory bond. 5. Don't peek. When testing yourself, resist the urge to quickly flip the card. Give yourself time to truly attempt a recall. 6. Practice out loud. Saying the definition or using the word in a sentence out loud reinforces the memory and helps in retention. And there you have it. The power of active recall in enhancing your vocabulary for GMAT and GRE. As with any technique, consistency is key. The more you engage with your material, the better you'll remember it. Happy studying and see you in the next video. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to acing that test.